Hi everyone, Jeff Sloan here, editor of CompositesWorld, and we're at CAMX 2019 in Anaheim, California. Most of the activity this week is focused on aerospace, additive manufacturing, and thermoplastics. The show started with the announcement of the CAMX Awards and the ACE Awards winners. The winners this year included RWTH Aachen University in Germany, Spirit Aerosystems, LyondellBasell, the University of Delaware, University of Tennessee, Additive Manufacturing Specialist Fortify, and General Motors and Continental Structural Plastics. The latter was for their Carbon Pro pickup box, which is being used on the 2019 GMC Sierra Denali pickup truck. In the aerospace sector, as the A350 and the 787 production continue into the next few years, all eyes now are on next generation aircraft. This includes potentially the NMA from Boeing and single aisle replacements for the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737. All of these programs are expected to be announced in the next several years. I'm going to say 2 to 5 years, which means there's going to be a new supply chain built for these. The wide assumption is that composites will be used extensively in those aircraft, just as they've been used extensively in the 787 and the A350. Also of note here at the show this week was a new aircraft seat being manufactured by ATC Manufacturing using Toray carbon fibers. Interest in thermoplastics is high across the board, primarily because of their potential use in large aerostructures in these next generation aircraft. Paid a visit to Solvay, which has a very large manufacturing facility here in Anaheim. They've added a third thermoplastics line to their facility there to make thermoplastic tape products using PEEK, PEC, PAEK, and other materials. On the additive manufacturing front, the use of composite materials, specifically the use of continuous fiber composite materials in additive manufacturing is growing and getting a great deal of attention. We also saw here in the exhibit floor for the first time additive manufacturing specialist Orbital, which is working on some very intriguing technologies in the additive manufacturing space. We also got news this week that Airtech has acquired a Thermwood additive manufacturing machine, a large format machine for the manufacture of molds for composites manufacturing. We're also seeing some technologies come together in the composites industry. This includes a combination of additive manufacturing with automated fiber placement. Two technologies that have some similarities, and a lot of suppliers into the space are now seeing an opportunity to combine these into a single process. So we're going to have further reporting on that in the next few months, and we'll keep an eye on this technology. So it's been a busy week and a good week here in Anaheim. Look for further reporting from CompositesWorld over the next few days and weeks here on our video channels, as well as our digital and print channels as well. Thanks for tuning in, and have a good day.